do. So I ran outside, put the sun in my eyes, met up with Uncle Chuck, stole an ice cream truck, drove in a pothole, ended up in the hospital. Threw praise with the patients, got on antidepressants, took my dog for a walk, met her on the boardwalk, things got perverse, she took off her shirt, I had got nothing to lose.
¡Ay, parece una cabra de verdad! Una de las dos.
Procrastinating in the sun. Procrastinating in the sun. Another day had come, none of the work was done. The girl had gone, bank account withdrawn. My tires were flat, back to back with payback. I had got nothing done 'cause procrastinating in the sun. In the sun, the motherfucking sun. In the sun. Procrastinating in the sun. Procrastinating in the sun.